In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run email campaign in Pipedrive. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Pipedrive. Find the campaigns icon, which looks like a megaphone, and click it. This takes you into the area where you can create and manage your marketing sends. From here, choose Email Campaigns, then select the option to add a new campaign by clicking Plus Campaign. Next, you will name your campaign. Enter a clear campaign name that helps you recognize the purpose later, such as the product, audience, or month you are targeting. A specific name makes reporting and organization much easier as you create more campaigns over time. After you enter the name, click Create to move forward. Now you will choose your recipients. You can select people by using a saved filter, or you can pick specific contacts. Using a saved filter is helpful when you want to target a consistent audience segment, like leads in a certain stage, or contacts with a specific tag. If you select specific contacts, take a moment to confirm you are including the right people, since recipient selection determines who receives the email. Once recipients are set, click Design Email. At this point, you can select a template or build an email from scratch. Templates are useful for speed and consistency, especially if you send similar updates regularly. Building from scratch gives you more flexibility for a unique layout. Choose the approach that fits your goal and your available time. Add your content to the email. Make sure the message is clear and the key details appear near the top, since many readers scan quickly. When you are satisfied with the design and text, click Save and Continue. Now enter the sending details: your subject line, sender name, and sender email. The subject line should match the email content and be easy to understand at a glance. The sender name should be recognizable, such as your company or team name, so recipients immediately trust who it is from. Finally, go to the top right and click Send Now to deliver the campaign immediately, or choose Schedule if you want it to go out at a specific time. Review everything one last time, then confirm your choice. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.